Alright, let's go ahead and build a web page. So where do we go to do that? Obviously we go to the pages section. Now you see that since we installed the page mesh, it's appeared as a plugin as part of our pages section. But what we're going to do is we're going to go to the pages and we're going to edit a page that already exists. It's the About page. It's a standard page that WordPress installs for you that you can just come in and edit. Obviously, if you wanted to add new pages, you would click Add New and you would start from scratch without this writing. The About page, it says About on it, so like if we look at our website right now, it says About here. So no matter what you write, or if it says About here. For this marketing website, I like to take that out because I don't want, first of all, I don't want people clicking in my navigation bar because I want to direct the path. I want them to click here, opt in, go here, read, click next, go to the next page. I want to have control of how my reader comes to my website and where they go next. I don't want them having all these buttons up here to click around and go nuts. Now, in certain websites, does that make sense? Do you want to have the pages navigation open? Of course. For these landing page and sales funnel websites, we don't really want to do that. So we'll go in here, and the one thing I can do on the landing page is just take that right out of there, so that will disappear from the website. All this reading that we got here, we don't need that. That's just example stuff, so we're going to delete that. Now, what I do next, see this little button here? Full screen mode. So let's click it on. There goes our full screen. Now the next thing, see this one? It's called kitchen sink. Everything but the kitchen sink. Well, we want to see everything. So we're going to pop that. So now we have the different buttons that we're going to use to edit the page. So let's get our content going. Joe's Pizza. Now you see that I have the content stored in the notepad. Now what I could do is just write in here and go and start going here and edit here. Now I already have this content laid out for us. The reason why I'm showing it to you like this is because if you have a copywriter or someone like that who's doing your content for you, have them send the content over in a notepad. And the reason I say this is a lot of them are going to try to send it to you in a Word doc. And if you get it in a Word doc and you just try to copy it and paste it and put it in your editor, Microsoft Word puts a lot of code behind the formatting in their text. And what's going to happen to you is, without you even seeing it or noticing it, and you go back to make changes, that formatting code is going to kind of get a little bit screwy, and you may come back and just run into some issues where you're like, okay, I want to center this, and it won't center for some reason. You're going to say, am I crazy, or is it the editor? No, it's neither one. It's the code that was in the document that you got your text from originally. Now, Notepad doesn't do that. So that's why I say have them send it to you in a Notepad document. So I'm going to highlight all this stuff. I'm going to copy it, and then I'm just going to paste it in. Yes, we want to allow access. That's our content. So here you go. Here's the content for our website as it sits right now. It's basic, and I have to format it. Is that such a big deal? No. So let's just grab everything. In fact, let's just grab the headline portion of it. We're going to center that out. We're going to bold it up, and let's get Joe's Pizza nice and big, but not too big. And there's two ways we could do it. We could tell it that we want to give it a heading. Heading 1, very big. Heading 2, not quite as big, but I like to just go in and edit it by the font size. So let's make this a 14. We already know it's Joe's Pizza, so we'll make the rest of the heading very big. There we go. And let's take this portion here, the little content, the write-up. We'll make that about a 13. We'll bold that up, or I'm sorry, 12. Bold that out. Now, if we want to, like I said, we can change our font. So there you go. Now we have content edited or entered. You know what? That is too small. So let's make that big as the rest of it. Whoa, we can get really big with that, huh? Alright, there we go. Now we got something that matches. So Joe's Pizza, home of the best pizza in South Jersey. Your pizza, your way, fast. Let's say we want fast to shine a little bit. Let's italicize it, underline it, and we'll even make it red. There we go. Fast pizza, man. So we have that entered. What we're going to do is we're going to come out of the full screen editor and we'll click update. Now we've made a change. Now we've changed the content in our website. So let's go back and look at it. Refresh. There you go, man. Looking good. We're on our way. So now what do we need? We need some pictures and we need a video. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me.